Hello everyone, this is me and this is my YouTube channel iidstudio. In this video, I'll teach you the lighting, framing and material setting of a bathroom model scene. Let's start the work now. First of all, I'll open my bathroom model scene in SketchUp. Now I'll open the enscape. As you can see, this model don't have lighting setting and render setting and not good material setting. So let's make it better. First of all, I'll add the exterior light for the whole scene. I think it is better for this scene. Let's adjust it. Adjusting. Now increase the little bit explorer. Now you can see light are reached in this model. Now I adjust little bit more. Now I decrease the little bit power of light. Now I already add the exterior light. Now I add the interior light for the whole scene enhancement. Let's measure this and add the lights. I think I'll add this light. Now rotate it on the direction of vanity. Now I rotate this light for the better result. Little bit. Now I adjust the light with line tool. It's very helpful. Now I move back the light on back side, because if I don't move it backward, it's come to the outside. So I'll add another light. And guys, if you want all these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi and Patreon. The links to all of these are provided below this video in the description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. Now I'm adding the another lights. These lights are with illumination lights. I already made it. It's very helpful. These lights made our work very easy. Now I'll adjusting the another light, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for stay updated. Now I'll give the color of illumination in the illumination light. Now I'll add another light, another interior light for this. First I measure it, and now I place the light and rotate it little bit for the better result. Now I'll adjust it. Let's see over, and I increase the exposure little bit more. Now I'll adjusting the material. I think for the flower, for it roughness, the good material setting is very important in our 3D model scenes. Best material setting make our model look better. Adjusting the material and the reflections. And guys, if you all want to download these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Ko-fi store. The links to all of these are available below the video in the description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating for you. And if you want more tutorial videos like this, please subscribe me and hit the bell icon for stay updated. Now I think I want to move this thing little backward. Now it's better. I eliminate this because if I don't eliminate this, the shadow of the shower are not looking good in this scene. For this, I eliminate it and take the power is 0. Now I think it's look better. Now let's render it for see the result. It takes a little bit time. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for stay updated. And support me on my fan pages. Let's see the result. I think it's look better. If you like the result, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.